Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. This is a quick video on showing you how you can share your tweets on Facebook. So without further ado, I want you to download this app called Tweet2Pic. You can see that on my device right here on the screen. And the next thing that we are going to do is we're just going to go to Twitter. And now what you have to do is just find the tweet and tap on the share icon that you see on the bottom left corner of the tweet. And you get few options there, and what you have to do is you just have to tap on copy link to tweet. And now the link is copied. And now all you have to do is open the app that I requested you to download earlier. And just like that, paste the copied URL right here, and you have got few options here if you want dark theme and other stuff. I'll just tap on square image because I want the photo to be square, and just tap on submit. And now all you have to do is tap on the download button that you see on the left bottom corner, and it says the picture has been saved. Now all you have to do is go to your photos and find the picture. As you guys can see it on my screen, this is the exact tweet that I wanted to upload it on Facebook. So I'll just go open my Facebook real quick and tap on photos and select the picture and tap on next. And now you just tap on post, and that is how you share your tweet on Facebook. You just need a basic simple app and you are good to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys found this video very helpful, and if you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you guys next time.